How to update YouTube app and remove update available notification. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the update available message and update your YouTube app on your phone. So if you're stuck and can't use YouTube until it's updated, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. So, as you can see here, when I open up my YouTube app, it pops up with that message saying update available. If this happens to you, don't worry. It's really easy to fix. First, open your Google Play Store or App Store on your phone. Tap the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar at the top and type in YouTube. Then hit search. Now, when YouTube shows up, you'll see an update button right there. Go ahead and tap it. Your phone will now start downloading the update. You'll notice it first says downloading, and then it will switch to installing. Just give it a moment while that finishes. Once it's done, the button will change to open. Tap on that, and YouTube will launch with the latest version installed. And that's it. You've successfully updated the YouTube app on your Android phone. Now you can enjoy all the latest features and fixes without that annoying update message. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this.